In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to style your text effortlessly in Microsoft Word using the Styles feature. Whether you're working on an important report, a school project, or just trying to make your document more visually appealing, learning how to utilize styles can streamline your formatting process and enhance the professional look of your work. Let's dive right in. First, open the Microsoft Word file that you want to work on. If you don't have it open yet, take a moment to find it on your computer and double-click to launch it. Once you have your document open, examine the text and decide which sections would benefit from styling. For instance, you might want to differentiate headings from the main text or give emphasis to certain quotes or points. Now let's move on to the selection process. Click and drag your mouse over the text you want to style. If you have multiple sections that need styling, you'll need to repeat this action for each. Once your text is highlighted, head over to the top of your screen and click on the Home tab if you aren't already there. This is where you'll find the Styles section. It's typically located to the right of the options for changing your text's font and size. In the Styles section, you will see a collection of style options presented as a row of buttons. This area is your playground for text formatting. You can choose from a variety of styles such as heading, title, subtitle, as well as emphasis and quote. Each of these options will change your text's appearance in different ways, letting your originality and intention shine through the document. For instance, selecting a heading style will make your selected text bold and adjust the font size, making it ideal for section titles. You can explore other styles and see live previews as you hover over each option. This allows you to experiment and find exactly what works best for your content. If you feel none of the preset styles quite capture your vision, Word also allows you to create your own styles, giving you even more control. There's also a clear formatting option if you'd like to remove any styling and start fresh, giving your document a clean slate. To access these, simply click on the downward arrow in the corner of the Styles section to expand it, where you'll find more detailed options. Once you've selected the styles you want, take a moment to admire your handiwork. The styling you applied should now be visibly reflected in your document, enhancing its readability and aesthetic appeal. By harnessing the power of styles in Word, not only have you elevated the look of your document, but you've also saved yourself time and effort. Thank you for taking the time to learn this simple yet effectively transformative skill. With just a bit of practice, you'll become quicker and more adept at making your documents stand out with professional-looking styles. Happy formatting,